How to buy Domin network token. So this token came under the symbol of Domin. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional nor economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. See place goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X accounts and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, so this token is available in MEXC. You can go and buy it from your account. So I will show you how to do that. Now first of all, log into your MEXC account. As you can see, so if you don't have an account in MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account in MEXC to benefit from rewards and find your account with some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do is just type the token name. It will be Domin like that, as you can see. So you will find this pair. Now click on it. Wait a few seconds to load this page. Now after that, click on limit. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive or how much you will be paid of the USDT on your account, and click on buy Domin. If you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of the USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy a Domin token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.